Fold the 60 width cloth into a quarter to make mini faux balloon. Cut the main cloth longer than the lining. Cut the sides as opening for joining them all. Cut the tip of the triangle for the waistline hole. Cut the sides of all the full balloons for joining them together. Telefagina main cloth. They are not the same of length, so we have to make it the same. Joining all together. We will use the center for shirring to make it balance while joining them. After pinning, sew it stitch with the machine. Then join again with the main cloth. Still always use the center to make it balance. Pin to the join lining and tell using center and dividing it. Then stitch them all. Divide little by little to make it easier to attach. After joining all together, attach the waistband. Attach the stiffener. I use the air foam for the stiffener off the belt. Lock the side by inverted sewing. Then after the belt, Donna close the sides by joining them together. This is now the result. Mickey Mouse skirt. The owner is using leotard for the top and leggings for this. Hope you enjoy watching and learning. Subscribe for more.